Follow these simple cleaning steps each time you use your Chefman Crema Supreme to keep it in top condition. Rinse the portafilter and baskets in hot water immediately after use. If there are coffee grounds stuck in the holes of the basket, use the pin end of the cleaning tool to remove them. Wipe the underside of the brew head with a damp cloth or paper towel to remove any stray coffee grounds. Place a large heat-proof cup under the brew head and run a double shot cycle with water only to purge any grounds stuck in the brew head. If the steam wand is used to steam milk, wipe it down immediately with a soft, damp cloth. Then position the tip over the drip tray and briefly turn the steam hot water knob to hot water to clean the inside of the wand. Remove the drip plate from the drip tray. Wash the drip plate in hot, soapy water. Wipe the drip tray and the storage tray clean with a soft, damp cloth. If the steam wand tip becomes blocked, turn off the machine and let it cool down. Use the pin end of the cleaning tool to clear the blockage. If necessary, you can remove the tip of the wand by twisting it clockwise, then soak it in hot water until the blockage can be removed. Wipe down the outer housing and cup warming tray with a soft, damp cloth. Do not use abrasive cleaners, pads, or cloths which can scratch the surface. If storing the machine long term, be sure that the steam hot water knob is in the off position and remove any beans from the hopper. For more information on how to keep your espresso machine clean, see our videos on descaling and cleaning the grinder.